Hello, 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 my peoples. Happy Monday. I'm back with my breakfast sandwich for dinner. Yeah, so let me give y'all this recipe right quick. Y'all all know how to fix bacon, sausage, eggs. Basically, what I did was my breakfast sandwich is on a bagel this time. So you have hash browns. I have a cheese omelet, a two whole egg, one egg white cheese, Munster cheese omelet in the middle right there. I put a little bit of chorizo, I believe, Mexican sausage in the middle on top of the Munster cheese and folded my omelet over and just let the everything melt in. You have your applewood thick smoked bacon, and that's it. So I basically cooked everything separate. I cooked the sausage separate on the stove. I put my bacon in the oven. I pan fried my hash browns, and then I made the I think it's chorizo something sausage. I pan fried that separately. And once everything was done, I toasted my bagel, put a little butter on it, and put everything together. And then right here, I got a little side salad, fruit salad. So I got some strawberries, some black seedless grapes, I cut up a whole pear, and just a couple of navel orange fruit slices right here. So this is my dinner. That is my breakfast sausage. Y'all see that juice from the chorizo, whatever it's called, sausage. Y'all see the juice when I cut it, the juice kind of leaked out. Y'all see that cheese, that omelet? This thing is huge. Look at that. I love making my omelets with Munster cheese because it's stringy, cheesy, like kind of like mozzarella. And it has a good taste with eggs. Y'all see my bacon right there. See, I see everything right there. My fruit. So thank y'all for watching. I hope everybody had a great start to their week. Until next time, give me that thumbs up. If you can watch my videos all the way through, I appreciate it. At least give me 5-6 minutes. If you can't watch it all the way through, please give me that thumbs up on the way in. Leave your comments below. I thank everybody who's been rocking with me, who's supporting my channel. I really appreciate it. And till the next time, peace.